Those of you who are living in India, I want you to just see what is happening in various states. If you look at it carefully, don't just go by the television stories, you will be terrorized. Things are building up. Very strategically, people are building it up. Every nation is right now investing and growing their military in such a way that we are heading towards a disaster someday, if not today. See the amount we are investing, every nation. We are also investing a lot in our fighting men, because without them you will not retain the nation. That is the reality of the world. But within the country, and within each country, not just this country, at least within the country there should be no fighting to start with. Someday we can see there is no fight in the world, that's not yet to be. But at least within the country, people should not start killing each other. And don't think that's not a possibility, that's very much a possibility. There are many situations in the world where divisive ideas, divisive emotions, divisive ideologies and divisive religious beliefs are becoming more and more loud. They're becoming strident. If you allow divisive forces to set the narrative in the world, that will be a reality in no time. But they're not very big in number. They're not big in number, but they're loud. So people who are divisive, people who are against something or somebody, they are all loud and clear. People who stand up for all life must be louder than them because our number is way bigger than theirs. I'm not just saying Isha, I'm saying human beings. Most human beings are for everybody. They may not be doing much, but they have no hatred or they have no wanting to kill somebody. It is not there in most people. But people who want to kill, people who want to subjugate other people, their voices are loud and clear. The voice of goodness, unfortunately, has never been loud and clear. This is the problem with the stupid good people. If you think you're good, you must be clearly heard. Big changes are happening in the environment, big changes are happening in the political systems, big changes in very fundamentalist religious forces, and some ideological people also who are super dangerous for everybody, who simply believe my way or no way. Their fundamental policy is my way or no way. What's happened in Bangladesh? This is not a one-day happening as it is projected. It's a very planned, projected, strategized action that now it's come to butchery. And this is not new to us. We have faced this for over 1,000 years and we forget. So this is not to fight somebody, this is not against anybody, but this is to preserve what is precious to humanity. It's very, very important. People who stand up for everybody's well-being set the narrative in a given society. And that's what we are trying to do. This is about setting the narrative for an inclusive way of life. If you don't set that narrative, divisive forces will set the narrative 100%, because they are always busy. And as you say, they are fanatics. Fanatics have tremendous energy. Good people are dead people. Good people have largely been dead people, unfortunately, because what they see is the right thing, they don't stand up and do it. Those who have divisive agendas, they are fully on day and night, they're even willing to die for it. I'm not asking you to die for it, I'm asking you to live for it, hello? But if we don't live for it, well, they may make sure we die for it. Those of you who are living in India, I want you to just see what is happening in various states. If you look at it carefully, don't just go by the television stories, you will be terrorized. things are building up. Very strategically, people are building it up. We have nothing against anybody. But if we do not protect what we value in our lives, we are not good human beings. You must promise me we as a generation will not be that kind of people. Whatever else happens, happens. We won't die stupid. This is very, very important. As a generation, if we don't rise and what we need to do, the life of future generations will not be good, that's all.